Hi everyone, and today's video we are going to discuss this NEET 2020 answer key for chemistry questions. Okay, so let us start. Starting from this 136 question. What is the change in the oxidation number of carbon atom in the following equation? So in this equation, CH4 and CCl4. Okay, how this oxidation number is changed. So in methane, hydrogen 4 hydrogen is there, so 4 plus, so oxidation number of carbon in the methane is -4, and right hand side CCl4, so CCl4 for 4 chlorine atom is -4, so for carbon it is +4. So changed from -4 to +4, so option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, and the second question, on electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using the platinum electrode, the product obtains at anode. So what product will be obtained at anode? So, okay, that is this H2SO4 is decomposed to give H plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, so this is a cation, this is a cation, this is anion. Cation will move towards cathode and anion will move towards anode. So we are not studying about a cathode, we are studying only about the anode. So anode we have SO4 2 minus. Not only SO4 2 minus, in addition to that water also will dissociate and produces the OH minus. So both this anion will be there, both SO4 2 minus and OH minus. So which one will undergo oxidation readily? Anode oxidation takes place. So among the two, OH minus only will undergo oxidation readily, so which produces oxygen gas. So that is the correct answer. Next one, on increasing the concentration of the reactant of the reaction leads to the change in the collision frequency. When you increase the number, the collisions will increase. So collision frequency is the correct answer. Next question, reaction between the benzaldehyde and acetophenone in the presence of dilute NaOH. So this is nothing but the crashed aldol condensation. So the next one, which of the following alkane cannot be made with the good yield of Woods reaction? So remember, this Woods reaction is used to produce the even number of alkanes. Okay, so among this given product, the even number is heptane. Heptane is a 7 carbon atom. Okay, so though it gives a mixture of products, its major product is a even number. So the answer 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following is the natural polymer? So for this answer, option 4, which is also called as a cis 1,4 polyisoprene, which is nothing but the natural rubber. Okay, it's also called as a natural polymer. Okay. So the next question is, a mixture of nitrogen and argon gases in a cylinder containing the 7 gram of nitrogen and 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, what is the partial pressure? So you are asked to find out the partial pressure of nitrogen. Okay, so what is the formula for calculating the partial pressure? So partial pressure of any gas, which is equal to the total pressure into the mole fraction. Okay, so the mole fraction is nothing but X. So total pressure into the mole fraction of the gas. Okay, so mole fraction of the nitrogen. So total pressure is given in the question, it is a 27 bar. So the mole fraction, how will you calculate the mole fraction? Mole fraction is equal to number of moles of nitrogen divided by total number of moles. So here, instead of giving the number of moles, they are given only the mass, 7 gram of nitrogen and 8 gram. So from that we should find the number of moles. So how will you find out? 7 by 28. The 28 is the molecular mass of nitrogen gas, whole divided by total mass, total number of moles. So the total number of moles, how will you find out? 7 by 28, that is for nitrogen, and 8 by 40, that is for argon. Okay, so if you simplify and if you multiply this total pressure also, so you will get the value of 15. So 15 bar is the answer. Next question, number 144. For the reaction of 2Cl gives Cl2, the correct option. So in this reaction, if you look at that, the Cl atom changed to Cl molecule. Okay, so Cl atom changed to the Cl molecule. It is an exothermic reaction actually. Okay, so exothermic reaction, del H value will be lesser than 0. And moreover, in this reaction, 2 chlorine atoms changed to single chlorine molecules. Okay, so number of entities is reduces. When number of entities reduces, del S entropy value reduces. So del S will be less than 0. So del S less than 0, del H less than 0. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next, 145. body center BCC unit cell, they are given the edge length of 128 picometer. The atomic radius, you know that the formula of atomic radius, that is root 3 by 4 into the edge length. Okay, the edge length is 288. So it is a direct question. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Next 146, urea reacts with water to form A. So what is the formula of urea? Urea formula is NH2 CO NH2. Okay, when this urea reacts with water, okay, it produces, this water will contains OH minus, this OH minus will attack this carbon, so that you will get NH2 CO minus OH and NH2. Again this negative sign will come back and form the double bond, and NH2 will release as a NH2 minus. Understand? So this one further decompose to produce the ammonia gas. Okay, it will releases this carbon dioxide gas and ammonia. This ammonia will reacts with, okay, the B is passed through the Cu2 plus. So when this ammonia reacts with the Cu2 plus, it forms the complex of tetramine copper 2 plus. So option A is the correct answer. So question number 147, the reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis given. So acetone, it is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay, this acetone reacts with the methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, methyl magnesium chloride Mg CH3 Mg Cl. The CH3 will attack this carbon and form the tertiary butyl alcohol. So the next question, which is responsible for the transmission of nerve signal? So for this transmission of a nerve signal, the answer is potassium. Okay, so the number of proton, neutron and electrons in the lutetium 71-175. Okay, the number which is written in the at the bottom is atomic number. So that atomic number which is with 71, that is equal to number of electron and the number of proton. Okay, whereas the neutron, how will you find the neutron? Neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number, which is 104. So in which order it is asked? Proton 71, neutron is 104, again electron is 71. So 71, 104, 71. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, which of the following set of molecules will have zero dipole moment? Zero dipole moment. There is no dipole moment. Okay, so BF3, boron trifluoride, will not have dipole moment, because in boron trifluoride all the three sides, the three boron will be occupied equally. Okay, so it will be cancelled. And beryllium difluoride also it will be cancelled. 1,4 dichlorobenzene, it will be cancelled. Carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is also a linear molecule. Okay, 1,4 dichlorobenzene, that is para position, so they cancel. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next one, identify the molecule which does not exist. Answer is He2, because when you write MO theory, okay, if you find the bond order, okay, so bond order for this MO, it will be 1/2 NB minus Na. Okay, so number of electrons in bonding and anti-bonding, both are 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So bond order is 0. If bond order is 0, the number of bond order is nothing but number of bond between the two atoms. Bond order is 0. There is no bond between helium. So helium only does not exist. Identify the incorrect match. Okay, first one, anil anium. It is mendelevium. It is correctly matched. Second one, anil trium, also lawrencium, is correctly matched. Anil exium seaborgium correctly matched. Anil anium, okay, it is not a dermastatirium, it is a rhongenium. Okay, so according to that, option D only is wrongly matched. So option 3 is the correct answer. So next one, question number 153, the rate constant for the first order reaction. The rate constant is given. It is a 4.606 10 power minus 3 per second. Time required to reduce to 2 gram of the reactant to 0.2 gram. So 2 gram to 0.2 gram. So that is the question. 2.303 divided by 4.606 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Understand? So log numerator you have a 2, denominator we have 0.2. Okay, so this can be cancelled easily. Okay, so that you will get 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. So this we can cancel by 2. So 2 into 10 power minus 3. So that is you will get 2 1 by 2. You will be getting 1 by 2 10 to the power of plus 3. So that is 0.5 10 power 3, which is nothing but 500. So 500 second is the correct answer. Next one, identify the correct statement. Okay, so blister copper as a blistered appearance due to the evaluation of carbon dioxide is given. It is due to the evaluation of sulfur dioxide. So it is a wrong answer, wrong statement. Paper phase refining of carried out by the nickel by Van Arkel method. Nickel is not by the Van Arkel. It is a Mons process. So it is also wrong statement. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. Okay, so come back to the next one. Wrought iron is impure iron with 4%. Okay, so that is also the wrong. Okay, it is not a 4%, less than 1% only. So pig iron is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next to question number 155, measuring the zeta potential. The zeta potential is used for determining the which property of the colloidal solution. Zeta potential is used for measuring the stability of the colloidal potential. So the next one is the which of the following is the oxo acid of sulfur as OO linkage. This is a peroxy linkage. It is there in the name itself, peroxy. Okay, peroxo disulfuric acid. Two oxygen atom when it is present together now, it is called peroxy. So option 2 is the correct answer. H2S2O8. (157) Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene. Actually 2-bromopentane okay, when you remove that what we call as the elimination reaction, surely this bromine and any one of the hydrogen from this nearby alpha carbon will be removed. Okay, so it is a beta elimination is correct. It follows the Zaitsev rule. Okay, it is a dehydrohalogenation is also correct. So option A, B, C, all the three are correct. So according to that, option A, B, C, option 4 is the correct answer. The next question, identify the correct statement from the following. Okay, so CO2 gas is used as a refrigerant in ice cream. It is not a gas actually. CO2 solid only used. So structure of carbon 16 contain 12 carbon rings and 25 carbon. It is actually changed that. Okay, there is exchanged. So it is also not a correct option. Option C, ZSM5 type of zeolite is used for convert alcohol into gasoline. It is a correct option. And carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas. It's also correct. So option C and D is correct. So the answer is 3, option C and D. Next, an alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol. Methanol is a formaldehyde. Okay, which compound will gives that product? Okay, so the first one, no, we have double bond here in the ring itself. It will not give the methanol. Okay, option 2 and option 3 will not have a ring in the double bond in the ring. That is also will not provide. Same way, option 4, we have double bond here. When you provide here, when you break that, no, you will get ethanol you will get, not the methanol. So according to that, option option 2, okay, this one only, when you break it here, no, you will get the oxygen atom here. So CH2O, which will give HCHO, okay, which is a methanol. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next question number 160, paper chromatography is an example for partition chromatography. Okay, we have adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography. Okay, here the stationary phase is a liquid, the cellulose present in the paper, so it is a partition chromatography. Next one, match the following. CO, carbon monoxide. As you all know that CO, carbon monoxide, is a neutral. BaO will give barium peroxide, it's a basic. Aluminum oxide is amphoteric. Chloric oxide is acidic. Okay, so according to that, keep everything in mind. A is 2, B is 1, C is 4. So I think option A, 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so next one is which one of the following has the maximum number of atoms? So remember, which will have the maximum number of atom? The atom which has less amount of atomic weight, that only will have maximum number of atoms, because the number of atoms is equal to Avogadro number divided by the molecular mass, okay, or atomic mass, or whatever it is. Okay, so among these three, so lithium only, among the four, lithium only has the least mass. So lithium only can able to provide the maximum number of atom. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following is a basic amino acid? Okay, so all these are amino acid. Among that, the lysine is a basic amino acid which will have NH2 group in two places, whereas other three are the acidic. Okay, so the next one, calculate the spin only magnetic moment of Cr2 plus. The Cr2 plus, it is a chromium. Okay, chromium will have the outer electronic configuration of 3d5 and 4s1. Okay, so for that Cr2 plus, it will lose 2 electron, it will become 3d4. Okay, 4s0. So 3d4, d orbital, 4 electrons, 4 unpaired electron will be there. If 4 unpaired electron is present, so the n into n plus 2, square root of n into n plus 2 will give 4.90 bm. That is the answer. Sucrose on hydrolysis will give, we know, glucose and fructose, whether it is alpha D glucose or beta D glucose. Okay, so alpha D fructose or beta D fructose, whatever it is. So the correct answer is 2, alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Okay, so both D, but glucose is alpha and fructose is beta. And next question, question number 166, the mixture which shows the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, so Raoult's law, positive deviation, always remember, when alcoholic compound is given, those compound only will give the positive deviation. Other compounds will not give the positive deviation. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. The tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than the secondary butyl carbocation. Okay, which of the following they are asking here? According to that hyperconjugation effect. Okay, so the substance which has maximum number of alpha carbon, only the tertiary butyl carbocation will have the maximum number of alpha carbon, in which there will be a 9 alpha carbon will be there. Sorry, 9 alpha hydrogen. Okay, maximum number of alpha hydrogen present. Okay, that only responsible. So according to that, option is 3, hyperconjugation is the correct answer. The next question number 168, find out the solubility of NaOH. Okay, so first they are taking the NaOH. First they are taking that NaOH, okay, lithium hydroxide in a container. Okay, to that they are going to add this sodium hydroxide. Okay, when they add the sodium hydroxide, both contain that OH minus ions. Okay, so what it gives, no, as you know, the solubility product KSP, solubility product is equal to solubility into that they are given the solubility of the sodium hydroxide is 0.1, so 0.1 the whole square. Okay, here the value is given, it is 2.10 power minus 15, 2 in 10 power minus 15. Okay, when this values come to the left hand side, it will become minus 2, so 10 power minus 15 will become minus 13. So option 4 is the correct answer. Sorry, next one is not visible. 169, which of the following is a cationic detergent? Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. All the remainings are the anionic detergents. Okay, delta TF is equal to KF into M. Okay, here the KF is given, that is a 5.12, and M is given, that is 0.78. Okay, when you multiply both, you will get the value of around 0.399. Okay, which is nothing but 0.40 Kelvin. So question number 171, identify the incorrect statement. So in which option 3 is the correct answer, because in which it is given the oxidation state of chromium in CrO4 2- and Cr2O7 2- are not same. Actually, in both the cases, the oxidation state of chromium is +6. So that is correct, same only. So that is the incorrect statement. And which of the following is not correct about the carbon monoxide? Okay, so it reduces oxygen carrying ability of blood. Okay, it is correct. Then it produces due to incomplete combustion. Option 3 also correct. Fourth option, it forms a carboxyhemoglobin. That is also correct. The second option, the carboxyhemoglobin is less stable than oxyhemoglobin is given. Actually, the carboxyhemoglobin is more stable than the oxyhemoglobin. So that is only the not a correct option. So that is the correct answer. Hydrolysis of sucrose is given by the reaction. Sucrose gives glucose plus fructose. Okay, so what is the, if the equilibrium constant is given, okay, and the temperature is also given. What is the del G value? Del G is equal to minus RT ln K. So R is minus 8.314. T temperature is given, it is 300 Kelvin, and the ln K value is also given 2 into 10 power 13. So according to that, option 4 is the correct answer. Minus 8.314 moles per Kelvin and 300 Kelvin, and the ln K 2 into 10 power 13. Okay, so the next question 174. Which of the following is the correct order of increasing field strength of ligand to form the coordination compound? It is the spectrochemical series. Okay, so it is a direct answer only. So SCN minus lesser than F minus, C2O42 minus, and Cn minus. Next one, identify the compound X in the following sequence. If you look at that, here the toluene reacts with chlorine in the presence of light, H nu. It produces the product is very important. Here it is given the benzaldehyde, CHO. Okay, so 2 chlorine atom is going to replace the 2 hydrogen atom. So according to that, when the 2 hydrogen atom is replaced by the 2 chlorine atom, you will get CHCl2 upon the benzene ring. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So that is the option 2. CHCl2 is the correct answer. Next one, question number 176. The correct option for the free expansion. Okay, when the free expansion is there, automatically the Q will be 0. The change in temperature T1 and T2 will be equal. So del T will be 0 and work done also equal to 0. So option 4 is the correct answer. So next question number 177. The number of Faradays required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten calcium chloride, CaCl2. Atomic mass of calcium is 40 gram is given. Okay, so how will you do this one? Ca2 plus is changed to Ca. Okay, for this they are taken that what is given 20 gram of calcium. Okay, you know that what is given atomic mass of calcium is 40. So here the 40 gram. Okay, for this 40 gram it is required that 2 Faraday. Okay, for 20 gram how much Faraday is required? It is 1/2. 2 for 40 gram if it is 2 Faradays required. For 20 gram it is only 1 Faradays required. Then 178, HCl was passed through the solution of calcium chloride, MgCl2 and NaCl. For this answer is only NaCl. Next one, anisole on cleavage with the HI. So the structure of anisole actually, okay, when you add this HI, automatically this side will have hydrogen and this side will have hydrogen. Okay, so left hand side will get phenol, right hand side will get the methyl iodide. Okay, so according to that, the answer is 4th one is the correct answer. So next one, which of the following amine will gives the carbalamine test? Carbalamine test will be given, it's a primary amine, it's a test for the primary amine. Okay, so this is the secondary amine and this is the tertiary amine. This one is also a secondary amine, whereas this one only the primary amine, and this is the correct answer. I hope you would have enjoyed this session. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment section. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it to your friends also. Thank you.